On today's episode of We Wonder Japan, we visit the absolutely stunning island of Enoshima as our first stop on one of Tokyo's most famous day trips that will take us from Enoshima to Kamakura and finally to Yokohama. Alright, we're headed out. First stop is Komeda's Coffee again because she absolutely loved it. So as a coffee lover, I guess she recommends it. So you would say if someone loves coffee, they should check it out?
Yeah. I mean, I'm sure a lot of coffee places here are great. There's like a bajillion.
Okay, well there's some others near where we're going, so maybe she'll see one that stands out and be like, you know what, let me try it. Who knows? Alright, we're on our way. It has been rush hour craziness. I don't think this is even our train. I need to stop and check which train this is. Ours is at 9:04. Feeling really Japanese today. It's Monday morning, rush hour. I would have loved to film some of it, but like, impossible.
You know, kids going to school, people going to their jobs.
Everyone on the train. Like, it's been wild. It is bright, guys. We have arrived to Katase-Enoshima station. This is where we're gonna go to Enoshima. This is crazy. It's the end of the line. I think I've been to end of the line before, but it's been a while. Yeah, we're gonna find our way to Enoshima now. Guys, look at the station. That's so crazy. It's beautiful. We've already seen Enoshima. It is behind us back there. Right now we're next to this random beach, but I know this beach because unless I'm insane and I'm forgetting something, I'm pretty positive this is where Abroad in Japan and PewDiePie both surf. If it's not this beach, it's very near here. So keep your eyes open for it.
PewDiePie?
Yeah, we're finding PewDiePie today. That would be crazy. That would be insane. I would love to just say, what's up, man? I hope you're enjoying Japan. Have you been to islands before?
Yes, I did.
Yeah?
In Mexico.
Like this?
No, not like this type of island. Like the kind of people don't live on. It's just small people will just
Oh, okay. After crossing the Enoshima Ohashi Bridge, you find yourself greeted by the stunning view of the bronze torii of Enoshima Shrine, the entrance to the Enoshima Benzaiten shopping street, which will lead you straight back to the grand torii of Enoshima Shrine. Dude, Enoshima already freaking beautiful, dude. Oh my god. We haven't done a single thing yet. We're not even through the gate yet. Oh my god. This place is already recommended. Already. Godzilla, what did you do to Enoshima? What did you do? So we just heard someone saying that most of the shops don't open till 11. Some of them are already open, but that's okay because we're gonna have to walk back down through here anyway. So this is a good time to go up to the other stuff here. You are one with the denim. Doing these to get an omamori. Let me see. Okay, she's gonna tie her omamori paper.
Fold it in half first. The so bad at it if I'm doing this right. I'm cursed.
We're up here at, I think, the main temple. I'm not actually sure. I know there's other stuff on this island we need to keep exploring, but we're at some temple. This is beautiful. We just bought omomoris, and there's an incredible viewpoint right here. So. So back behind us is the escalator. That's right, you can take escalators through all of this island. It's crazy.
There is many, many staircases, in fairness. I don't blame people.
It's not that bad. I've been on so much worse. This is nothing, dude. But this is beautiful. We're just continuing up, up, up until we reach the lighthouse at the top. Okay, we got two things. We got this ice cream, which looks amazing, and we've got this, I barely even know what it is.
It's a bacon potato something?
With cheese in it?
Cheese, I guess.
That seems
really
hot.
hot. Yeah, it's probably super hot.
What else is in that?
It looks like soup inside. Smell good at least?
I don't know what's all in it, but it's pretty good.
What would you rate it?
Hot. How is it?
It's good. I mean, it tastes like.
Can I try mine?
Yeah, help me. It's melting very fast.
Mmm.
I'm excited for this cone.
Oishi. Last night I bought this one. Highly recommend if you see this. I bought it at B-Side Label. I think that's what it was called. The sticker store. Because it puts your Suica there, and then the coins in there, and then money can go back here. This has already changed my life. That big tower that can be seen off in the distance is the Enoshima Sea Candle. And that is, I believe, our next stop. Well, that's where we're headed at least. I don't know if there's anything between here and there, but just so you guys are aware, there are caves on the island as well. We've got a lot of other stuff on the list for today, so we're probably going to skip the caves. We'll see. Once we get to the Sea Candle, if it's like, oh, the caves are just down here, then maybe. But I would expect to skip them. But just so you know, you might want to look into it and check them out. Are you a cave girly?
I don't know. I've never been in one.
You've never been in a cave?
No.
Now I feel like we should.
We live in Indiana, man. What caves?
Kentucky's right under
I
us.
know.
Kentucky's the cave capital of the world.
I know, but I live in Indiana. I don't really live in Indiana.
We might have to do the cave. Up we go. I guess this first floor here is free, but if you want to go to the top, you need the ticket, which is 800. And we're, of course, going to the top. Are you ready?
Yes.
We're not doing the elevator. We're not, are we? All right, we'll do the elevator for the sake of time. We'll do it for the sake of time. Cordelia, you feel it swaying? Oh my God.
Why is it swaying?
They do that.
Can we go outside? Is this it?
Apparently there's also an outdoor observation area. Oh my God. Oh my, okay. That's sick. That's super, super sick. Whoa. How is it?
Sit up here for hours.
Oh yeah? Sit up here and read a book.
Yeah, that'd be nice. He's in his natural habitat. Don't spook him. It's gorgeous.
You like it?
Perfect weather.
It really is. When I looked at the weather yesterday, I told her, like, Cordelia, we had another thing planned for today, and I'm like, I think this is going to be the best day to do this. And it is. It's not too windy. You can probably hear wind now. We're up high. But it's really not that bad. It's beautiful. Just so you guys know, there is this downstairs inside section too that has like still beautiful view, but seems really, really pointless.
I wonder what that is.
Oh, this is showing everything that we can see from here. But yeah, it seems really, really pointless down here because upstairs is so much better. Nate, brother, we just walked into a whole ramen bowl shop. Remember when you were looking for ramen bowls? Oh my lord. Okay, it's definitely reminded me a little of Kyomizudera in Kyoto. It looks a lot like that, but worse. It's worse than Kyomizudera. Oh, wow. What's your rating on Enoshima?
Oh man, 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10?
I really liked it.
Is this your favorite thing you've done in Japan so far?
Well, I don't know about that. There's a lot to pick from.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm bad at picking.
But it was really good. I loved it too. I'd give it a...
I'd say it's peaceful.
Definitely peaceful. A lot of tourists, but still peaceful. I'm gonna give it 10 out of 10. F it. 10 out of 10 for me. It was amazing. Highly recommend. We're headed back to the station right now for our next stop. We'll see you there. On the next episode of We Wonder Japan, we spend a few hours in the absolutely stunning Kamakura and visit a spot that is truly being overlooked by most tourists. If you want to know what it is, you'll have to tune in next time. Keep wondering.